Hi everyone, my name is Jazmine Lambarca and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I will show you a couple of toiletries that I will bring to my next vacation, and I'm excited because I leave just in a few days. I'm going to go for an entire week on vacation, tropical island, and it's the first time that I actually take like an entire week off during my birthday. So I'm really excited because I've never done like a vacation during my birthday, like for an entire week. So I'm excited for that. So I bought a couple of toiletries, but I want to show you like pretty much like my favorite or must bring toiletries to a vacation, plus a couple of things that I bought in Walgreens because I really needed it. So these are all great, amazing products. So stay until the end. Also subscribe to my channel for more videos weekly. And I also have a Walgreens haul. It's a mini haul pretty much. So the first thing that I needed was makeup wipes. These are my favorites. I've tried all the brands under the sun and I always come back to these. These are the ultra soft and it removes waterproof mascara. So it's the first time that I will try these ultra soft fragrance free makeup remover wipes. Okay, next I actually got this kit from Soap and Glory because I really needed a hand cream. And if you are a traveler, you know that the soaps, when you wash your hands at the airport or inside the airplane, those soaps are super cheap and very abrasive to your hands and just totally dries out your hands, right? So my mistake last time was not to bring a hand cream in my bag. So, but this time, that's what I was searching for besides the makeup wipes at the pharmacy. So I wanted the hand cream. So it's this. So this is just so, it smells delicious. All these products smell so good. But this is perfect for travel. So I will bring it in my bag, not inside my carry-on, but in my bag. That way I can quickly access my hand cream. But also this kit is so convenient. I am so happy I got this because this brings a body wash. So I was planning on bringing in a body wash, which I have one upstairs, but now that this brought a body wash, I will definitely bring this one instead, and it smells delicious. Oh my gosh. And also this is very soapy, so a little goes a long way. So I'm expecting this to last me the entire week. So I'm really, oh my gosh, I'm just really excited I got this kit. This was only $17. So yeah, and this also brought this face wash. It has vitamin C. It has like little beads as well, but it's like a gel. But yeah, I've not tried this yet. I've never tried it. I've definitely tried this before and this before, but I've not tried this face wash before, so I will try it before leaving. Okay, the next product this brought is the Flake Away Scrub. I've tried this before and it's just so good and smells amazing, but I will not be bringing this for my trip. I'll just use it before leaving. Now I will definitely bring this body butter with me because it smells delicious. Oh my gosh. And I like putting a cream all over my body after I take a bath or a shower. So I'm definitely bringing this, and it just smells amazing. So I'm really happy that I got all these travel size products. And yeah, so if you see this anywhere, just get it because you will not regret it. Okay, another thing that I'm going to bring is this SPF 50 by Copperton, but this is the glow, so it leaves like that really pretty sheen all over your body. I've used it a couple of times in the past, so I needed a new one, and this is 5 ounces, so I will definitely be putting this in a separate container to be able to bring some with me. Another thing that I saw that I could not resist in Walgreens was this duo highlighter. So this is the Wet n Wild Hello Halo. It's called I Met Someone, and I just could not resist and I had to get it. This is $5, but it just looks amazing. And I actually tried it this morning because it's really early, hence the coffee in the background. But yeah, I tried it and it just looks so good. Like, it doesn't look like you actually purposely applied a highlighter. It looks like you are actually glowing, if that makes sense. So the one that I have today is this one. So I applied it in this area, also my temple, and in the bridge of my nose and here. But yeah, I applied it first alone, but I find that it's better to use it with Fix Plus. But definitely Fix Plus, you will get a better result spraying a little bit of Fix Plus on your face brush and then applying the highlighter to your face. This is going to be my go-to highlighters during the vacation. I'm going to leave my other ones. This is definitely a new favorite, actually. Okay, next is the shampoo. So I'm bringing 2 shampoos, one regular shampoo and then this one, but this is to fix the brassiness. So I do highlight my hair a lot. It can get pretty brassy sometimes, but this definitely fixes that, but to an intense level from the first wash. I've tried other purple shampoos, but this is by far the best. So this was recommended actually by a manager in Ulta, and she helped me get like the best one. And this was $25, which is a lot for just a small bottle, but it's red can and it does not dry out my hair. I was so surprised by that because I've tried others previously that just dry my hair, and I thought like every single purple shampoo was going to be like that. But once I tried this one, it just does not dry out my hair and doesn't make it extra tangly, if that makes sense. And it fixes the brassiness. I actually used it last night. It's just a really good product, but obviously I'm going to put some of this in a separate container because this is 10 fluid ounces. I'm also going to bring my favorite moisturizer, not in this huge container, but like in a separate container because this is 6 ounces. And actually this moisturizer lasts me like for close to 10 months. This is by far my favorite moisturizer. I always come back to this, especially during winter. My face is the driest. This is my go-to. I mean, even if I use like more expensive creams, I always go back to this. And I can definitely attest to that this winter. Every winter, I typically always get this kit in Sephora. You know, that First Aid Beauty always comes with a huge kit. This winter, I didn't decide to get it because I got a Dior kit instead. And the Dior kit was good, don't get me wrong, but it just didn't do the job when it comes to moisturizing my skin. I still had to go back and get this big tub of moisturizer because I ran out. I've not used this moisturizer in a very tropical environment, so I'm still going to bring it with me and try it out because I just need moisturizer and this is the best. Also, I'm going to bring this Shea Moisture Leave-In Conditioner. I got this, I think it was in Target, and I brought this in my last trip that I went to in February. And this is just really good. I love this leave-in conditioner. It was so easy to detangle my hair with this product. And it has castor oil, it has shea butter, peppermint, and apple cider vinegar. And it's a strengthen and restore type of leave-in treatment. Also, I'm bringing my Buxom lip balm. So this is my favorite lip balm. It is, of all time. And it leaves the prettiest pink tint to your lips. It's like it seems like the color is more natural, if that makes sense. And this is called the Big O. So this is a holy grail. Like, I repurchased it over and over again. Like, this is something that I must have with me if I run out. And it's a chubby stick. And I'm definitely bringing this with me for sure. All right, so for blushes, I'm bringing only one blush. And it's this one from Gucci. So this is the #1 color and it's called Silky Rose. And this is the pink color, but on me, so I have it on right now, but on me it looks like if I I catched a suntan or something. So I just like that type of product where it looks like a little bit more natural. And yeah, I don't need any other blush. I'm just taking this with me. And the last product that I will bring is this powder. So this is the Gucci powder. And I just love having really stunning items inside of my bag. I won't bring like a very ugly packaging type pressed powder. Absolutely not. Life is too short for that. And this is just a stunner packaging, you know, pink, really well made packaging with gold. But the thing is that this looks like a vintage product, but it's not, if that makes sense. You know, when I'm in public, if I need to retouch my lipstick or look at myself, to check my teeth, I can just, you know, pull out this amazing compact and it just looks so pretty, right? So this is a must for me and I will bring it. So that was it for the products today. I'll definitely bring more toiletries. This is not it. So I have to sort myself out this week because I have to pack and all that. And I will make a couple of more videos surrounding my trip, like what I'm going to bring, outfits. Also, I want to do like a video to prep myself, like physically to go. I need to do a self-tanner, and there's a couple of other things that I want to show you in that video, so stay tuned, subscribe so you don't miss out. All right, so that's it for my video today. Thank you for watching, and see you on my next video. Goodbye.